Hello everyone. After finishing the hosted discovery section, we have learned different Nmap commands which can be used to discover our host when firewalls are affecting our default Nmap commands. Now moving on to our next section, that is advanced scanning section. In this section, we will be learning different advanced Nmap commands which can be used to scan our host while the firewall will be blocking our default Nmap commands. In this section, we will be looking at few advanced Nmap commands. Also, we will be learning how we can create our custom scanning command which can be used inside Nmap to scan a host which will be having a firewall protection. Now, it is not guaranteed that this command will bypass the firewalls, so we have to try each of the commands and look at the results what we are getting. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the first command.